Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can fix a like problem in Instagram. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Instagram and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the bottom, as you can see guys, you're gonna find all of the sections. You're gonna find the home section, search, reels, and also your account section. So basically, guys, this problem occurs when you like the post, for example, and you find it unliked. So basically, guys, this problem has many reasons. One of the reasons is maybe you have a bad internet connection. So first of all, make sure that you are connected to a good internet connection. If you're already connected to a good internet connection and you still have this problem, then go ahead and leave Instagram. Then go to the Play Store or App Store, depending on which phone you have. Go ahead and click on it, and then go to the search bar and then search for Instagram. Once you find Instagram, go ahead and click on it, and then click on Instagram. And then right here, you're gonna find two options: uninstall, and right next to it, you're gonna find open. If you don't find open, you're gonna find update instead. If you find the update button available, this means that your application is not up to date and you need to update it. So make sure you click on update and then just wait for your update to download and finish downloading. And then once the update has finished, go ahead and click on open. And then this will take you directly to Instagram. And after that, your problem should be fixed. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next video.